Good afternoon, it's Lisa with Power Wash Store PA. I wanted to give you a look at one of our flatbed trucks. This is our most recent build that we had going on in our shop here. Just about ready to turn this one over to its new owner and send it on its way out to the Pittsburgh area in Pennsylvania. This truck is equipped for both pressure washing and soft washing. The soft wash system that we have installed on here is one of our air diaphragm setups. You can see up on top of the shelf here is the 1/2-inch Yamada pump, and beside that we have our Rolair 20 CFM air compressor. On the back side, in combination with that system, is our tsunami air dryer, just to keep the moisture out of the pump to prevent stalling. With that soft wash system, we are using the Proportioner here, which is our metering system exclusive to the Power Wash Store. That's going to allow you to get your mix on demand. You just set your dials for whatever you're looking to clean, and the soap's going to come out along with the bleach right at the end of your chemical hose, just how you want it. Underneath this table here is our gear drive 8-gallon a minute water dragon unit that has the Honda GX 690 and an 8-gallon a minute 3500 PSI Udar pump. And then our other pressure washer is over on this side. This is a hot water unit. This is one of the HydroTek units. This is not a slimline unit, so this one's a little bit bigger, but this unit features a generator. It's a generator, so you have a little extra, there's an electrical source under here, so you always have that for an option if you need that on the job site. This one is 8 gallons a minute at 3,500 PSI. Have your 12-gallon diesel tank, a 6-gallon fuel tank for that unit as well. Beside that pressure washer, then we have our external 11-gallon fuel tank. This one is for the cold water unit on the other side of the truck. We just have it put over here so that all your fueling is done on one side. Back here is our tanks. This is actually 400 gallons of water. We have installed 2 of our these are rectangular tanks, so each has a 200-gallon capacity. We just put 2 of them together and plumb them together. They are 48 inches wide. Each tank is 48 inches wide by 29 inches deep. And then we built a custom aluminum frame around those just to hold those into place, in addition to the straps that do come with the tanks. Then here we have our 55-gallon tank for bleach. And behind that we have some soap tanks over behind the hose reels there. There's 2 7-gallon soap tanks. So that'll allow you to switch between your different soaps whenever you're using the Proportioner. And then back on the other side of the truck we have our hose reels. This one does have 4 18-inch electric hose reels. They are Titan full frame reels, stainless steel manifolds. The 2 on the right are your high pressure hose. We have 300 feet on the bottom for the cold water machine, and then 200 feet on top for the hot water machine. Both those hoses are the gray non-marking hose, 2-wire, so they're rated for up to 6,000 PSI. The red hose on top is going to be our chemical application hose, and the blue hose on the bottom is our garden hose, just so we can fill our tanks. And over between the table and the hose reels here, we just have a little ball valve system set up just for filling up the tanks. So whenever we're filling up our bleach tanks, we're just hooking up to that hose, and that will save us from having to take off the lid of the tank and potentially spill bleach all over the place. This is one of the little things that we add to our builds. In addition, another little thing that we did here is for the air compressor. Since this air compressor does have a dual tank, you want to make sure that you are draining these tanks on the air compressor. So we plumbed the 2 tanks together, which is on the back side. You can't see that from here. But then we ran this line to the end of the truck here. There's just a ball valve on there that will allow you to empty those air tanks at once. And then he just went down through the deck so that whenever you drain that, it's just going to come out through the bottom of the deck there. So again, this is Power Wash Store of Central PA, giving you a look at our latest build we have going on here. If you're interested in getting a custom build something like this or a little bit different, please give us a call. Best number to get me at is 717-378-2276. Thanks for watching and have a great day.